To whom it may concern, Adrian Mitchell. I was run over by the truth one day. Since the accident, I walk this way. So stick my legs with plaster, tell me lies about Vietnam. Heard the alarm clock screaming with pain. Couldn't find myself, so I went back to sleep again. So fill my ears with silver, stick my legs in plaster, tell me lies about Vietnam. Every time I shut my eyes, all I see is flames. Made a marble phone book and I carved all the names. So cut my eyes with batter, fill my ears with silver, stick my legs in plaster, tell me lies about Vietnam. I smell something burning, hope it's just my brains. They're only dropping pepper mines and daisy chains. So stuff my nose with garlic, cut my eyes with batter, fill my ears with silver, stick my legs in plaster, tell me lies about Vietnam. Where were you at the time of the crime, down by the cenotaph drinking slime? So chain my tongue with whiskey, stuff my nose with garlic, cut my eyes with batter, fill my ears with silver, stick my legs in plaster, tell me lies about Vietnam. You put your bombers in, you put your conscience out. You take the human being and twist it all about. So scrub my skin with woman, chain my tongue with whiskey, stuff my nose with garlic, cut my eyes with batter, fill my ears with silver, stick my legs in plaster, tell me lies about Vietnam.